Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these red and blue star nails for the 4th of July. So I have a fresh set of nails sculpted out, and I use Young Nails Concealer Pink for the base, so that's why it has this pink tint to it already. Then I'm going to go in with Elegance's Italian Ice. It's this really pretty silver with holographic glitters in it. I'm going to paint this on my ring finger and my thumb. Next, I'm going to go in with Kira Sky's Exposed. It's a really similar color to this pink that I already have on my nails from the Builder Gel. It just gives it an extra layer and kind of smooths everything out. So I'm going to paint this on my pinky, middle, and pointer finger. Now I'm going to go in with Elegance's Rolling in Glitter. This is from their winter collection, and it's super pretty, silver, holographic. It has bar glitter as well as circle glitter in it. It's just very, very sparkly. So I'm going to put this on top of the Italian Ice color I already have down. And the reason I put the Italian Ice down was I wanted something with more of a silver solid base, so that way I could put the glitter on top without having to worry that the glitter was going to be too transparent. Now I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Amour, just a simple red color. And I've already taken off the tacky layers on the pink nails. And I'm going to go in and draw random little stars in the red on all 3 nails. And if you guys are interested in other 4th of July nails, I will link my 2 other tutorials I have. I did one last year of 5 different designs, and then one the year before of this pretty silver and flag design. So go check them out. And I flash cured the red stars, and now I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Aqua Blue, which is more of a sky blue color, and I'm going to go in and fill in the blue stars in between the red ones. Now I'm going to take Madame Glam's Silver Magic, and I'm going to create dots using this glitter color. And I use this one because it's more opaque than the other glitter that I was using, but it still matches. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Young Nails stain resistant top coat. So here's how my nails came out. They're super simple, they were easy to do, but they still have that like American pride feel to them. I didn't want to do any over-the-top 4th of July nails like I normally do, just because this year is a little bit different, just considering everything that's going on. And I did shorten my nails this time. I know last time I had super long nails. Go check out my blinged rose gold and black nails if you haven't seen that. But I'm back to work, so I had to shorten my nails, but I still wanted something 4th of July because it is my favorite holiday. But I hope you guys are all safe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!